So how can you change iMessage to text messages on the iPad? Let me explain how it works. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the iMessage are the blue bubbles which are sent over the internet, right? You don't need like a carrier service or anything, and you can send those messages, which is fine, right? And the green bubbles are the cellular text messages sent over the cellular network even without the internet, and those don't have like the features, they don't have read receipts and all of the like gifs or anything we have available in the iMessage. So that is the difference. So how does it work on the iPad? Well, iPad can naturally use the iMessage without any issues as long as you have it enabled inside of the settings, and in the apps and messages you'll be able to just make sure it's turned on, and you can just start texting anyone who also uses iMessage, and the bubbles will be blue. But if you want to access the green text messages, this only works as long as you forward it from the iPhone. So on the iPhone, the green text messages are available, those over the carrier, and on the iPad, you can only make them appear and only use them as the extension of the iPhone. So on the phone, you're going to go to the settings, apps, and messages, and you need to find the text message forwarding. In there, you should see your iPads and like different phones and even Macs, right? And if you have it enabled, it just means that the green messages delivered to the phone will also be delivered to the iPad or MacBook or whatever. And in there, you can interact with it and like reply back, but it only works as the extension of the iPhone. And you cannot use the green text messages, the regular cellular ones, just on the iPad without the iPhone. So that is how it works. I really hope that I can explain it well to you. I have so many tutorials which you might be interested in on this channel, so check it out and also subscribe so you don't miss the next explanation videos and stuff like this. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later.